Hello everyone, and as you see I'm making a game called Suit of Armor Legends. So, I will tell y'all how I made this. Okay, so first we want to make this. Let's go into here. You go onto this website. I have it bookmarked. So yeah. But you just draw the thing you want and it's easy to use. So, if you don't know already, I am making a sword. Now it's time to do that. Then we just make the edge of the sword. You know what? I'll do this. Oh! Now... Oh my gosh! Well, yeah, I'll get the point. You know what? And there we go. See you on part 2, where I teach you how to do a pixelated sprite.